Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to install YouTube app to your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or computer. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, you just need to connect the internet to your PC and then open any kind of browser. I open my Chrome browser and then I just open youtube.com. So here you can see, after open it, just go to top right corner, three dot, and scroll down, and you can find the option save and share. Select it, and right now you can find the option create shortcut. Select it and then select create. Well, right now minimize it, and here you can see YouTube app on here. So guys, in this way you can very easily download and install YouTube app to your PC or laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.